Hi guys, this is Zach. I'm going to show you how to make a GIF animation. Call it GIF if you want. I do have instructions about how to use this folder. I also have a tutorial that's written step by step if you'd rather read it. I also put a file up here. It's called example, but I need you to actually use this. So click it. It'll try to open up and show you what it looks like, but you need to download it. So scroll down. Oh, never mind. Right here. Download. I'm going to click that. And it's putting it in my download folder. So that's where I'm going to find it when I want to open it. I'm going to go to Photoshop now, found a new file open, and I have to click on download, and it's right there. And here it is, just that small little thing. So take note that on the side here of layers, your layers are made for you. Normally, you're going to make your own layers, but to show you how to animate, I have them already made. So we have over here, we have launch, and there it is. We have 1, 2, 3. We have the flame. I'll turn it on and off so you can see. The flame is actually flame copy. Okay, so there's a flame copy. The flame copy is the actual fire, and the word flame is the rocket. So if I want, I could double click in that rocket, but we'll just leave it as it is because you can see it. Okay, look down below. This is timeline. Right now, everything is showing. I don't want everything to show in the beginning um, of my animation because we wouldn't have fire in the very beginning. I'm going to turn off the flame copy. And we wouldn't have the numbers showing, and we definitely wouldn't have launch. So I'm going to turn off the eyes for that. I'm going to start with the actual rocket ship, and then I'm going to click on this button here. Watch my cursor at the bottom. That's a new frame. It's a duplicate, but now I can add something to it. So I'll probably turn on the 3, click a new frame, turn on the 2, click a new frame, turn on the 1, click a new frame, turn on the launch, click a new frame, turn on the flame copy, which is the fire, click a new frame. But this time, because number 6 and number 7 look alike, I need number 7 frame down here to look different. I'm going to hold shift and grab flame copy and flame, which is really the rocket and the fire. And I'm going to use my arrow key. You can't see that on the screen, but I'm using the arrow key and I'm going to take it, hold it down until it goes to the top, probably halfway off the file, right there. And that's how I want my frames to look. So now I can hit play. Watch my cursor. I can hit the play button. Start it from the beginning, by the way. Put it on number 1. Hit play. 3. I'm not doing anything. It's playing on its own. Now it's looping. Stop it now. Now you make your adjustments. So we saw that it jumped to the top a little too much. So while I'm on frame 7, the last frame here, I'm going to click the 3 lines over here and see where it says between. That means in between. So I'm going to put frames in between number 6 and number 7, but I have to be on the most latest frame, which is 7. So I'll hit between. It defaults at 5 frames. I'll leave it there. I could put more if I wanted. I'll leave it at 5. Well, I guess it would be a little, maybe I'll change it to 8 because it'll be more realistic. So hit OK. And it added all the in-betweens. Look down there. Look at the rocket in the middle and going up. Now, if I play it, go. Now it's like, whoa, it's slow. I think that's a little too slow. So I'm going to stop it. And I'm going to adjust the time. So right now, if every one of these are set to 1 second, that's a lot. That's actually pretty slow. I'm going to select frame 1. I'm going to hold shift and select all the way to 15. They'll all select at once. And I'll just go to one of the frames. I'll do 15 and change the time to something faster. So if it's at 1, that's right here. So that means everything above it is faster. I'll try half a second. Now let's play that. It's a little choppy and slow. Stop it. I'm going to select all the way over again. I'm going to change it to, I don't know how, this might be a little too fast. So I'll try 0.2. See how that looks. Oh, that's getting there, yeah. I think that might be good. Stop it. Now it's looping. If I don't want it to loop, I could change it here. See where it says forever? That's looping. I can make it play once. I can make it play 3 times. Then there's an other, probably more options there. I think once is good because once a rocket goes up, it doesn't keep going, starting from the bottom and going up again. So realistically, I'm going to check to see how fast it will look if I go to 0.1 seconds and play once. There we go. Okay, I like that. That's it. That's the end. Now to save it as a GIF, to actually have it play on the web, you can't just do file save as. You have to file save as to save your file because you might want to edit again later. But after you do that, you have to do file, export, save for web, legacy after it, choose GIF. It might be set at JPEG, so be careful. JPEGs don't play animation. Sure it's GIF. You do not have to change anything else about this. Hit save, find a place to put it, and that would be the correct file you upload to Schoology. It will have a .gif after it instead of a .psd. That's how you'll know. Okay, good luck.